Welcome to Vulcan 3D Printing, where we do 3D printing projects ranging from movie props and weapon replicas. You think of it, we'll try to do it. So today I want to go over the Arc Reactor from all the MCU movies, from specifically Iron Man. This version that I'm actually going to talk about today is more the one that was designed and built in the cave. It was just, we left it rough, kind of some more parts on it, and it kind of didn't smooth it out and make it look really perfect. So it looked like it was kind of rushed built, and just a little bit more raw looking overall than just a nice, clean, perfectly done. You know, everything is just nice and smooth version that would be made in like the workshop area that was in Iron Man in 1, 2, and 3. So, well, to get started with this, the time lapse of the video should start right about. What? Why are you guys back already? Wait. What do you mean the time lapse for the print didn't turn out well? The camera died? How?
Not a great plan.
Well, alright. Well, on that note, I'm just going to go over and talk about kind of how I printed it off and kind of what all the layers were. So I printed off all the main section of it, which was the top part that you can see right in front of you right now, and basically all the gray stuff was printed off all at once on one kind of print surface, where the clear-esque material was actually printed off on a second print. That actually allowed me to actually put all the lights internally inside of it and actually make it glow. But on that note, when I actually went to wire this whole thing up, we used 24 5mm LEDs inside of it to actually make it light and glow the way we wanted it to glow, which also allowed it to kind of actually be bright enough to be able to be seen. It was also kind of cool when I walk around in the apartment, kind of in the darker areas, you can kind of see it starting to glow off of me, so it's kind of handy, you know, so you can see what you're doing a little easier. But overall, for the first version of this guy that I'm coming off with, I'm pretty happy with it. It was made pretty basic, but at the same time, it looks really cool. It's not a perfect one-to-one replica, but I'm still really happy with it. Actually, one of the cool things about this thing is that what I'm actually wearing underneath it, I don't know why I look like that, that's weird, is actually a GoPro mount, one of the chest mounts that you can actually buy. And actually I kind of ground off the back end of one of the little clips that go on a GoPro, and actually was able to slide it in place. This allows me to actually be able to swap these out and keep kind of one chest rig to fit over any of the arc reactors, because I'm not going to really need to get like one arc reactor and have like 3 different harnesses for it. So this allows me to switch out the arc reactors based on whatever I want to do that week or wherever I'm going, or just lets me have more options overall. But that being said, I'm really happy with this print. It turned out pretty well overall. One of the things that if I would have had more time to do, or would have done a little bit better, was actually made the copper strips. We wrap them with wire, make them more predominant and seen better. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. The whole battery pack system, it runs off 4 AA's. Which actually isn't too bad overall, so it should hopefully last a good little while and not just die out instantly. I just figured with my luck today it'd just die. I don't even know when I said that. But overall, really happy with it. It's a great first one to go off of. Then I'm going to keep iterating on it and kind of doing a little better job and better work with it. The next arc reactor I'm going to try to do is actually the Mark II version, the triangle one from Iron Man 2. Will be the next one I try to do. So with that being said, comment down below. Let me know if there's any other kind of projects you guys would like me to do. I know that a couple weeks ago people were asking me about the Infinity Gauntlet, so I made that guy. So if there's ever anything you guys can think of that you want me to try to print, or you can put a link down in the comment section of like Thingiverse link that you would like me to try to actually build and kind of walk you through a little more step by step like I did with the Infinity Gauntlet. Yeah, please like and subscribe and let me know what else you guys can think of. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and have a good one.